Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel April Hues Art and Vlogs. Today we are diving into the world of art supplies as we review some exciting new additions to our collection. First up, we have got a good quality drawing book which only cost me 140 rupees. Then I have this small palette. This is lightweight and easy to carry for outdoor paintings. Next up we have this 0.5 black fine line gel pen. The ink is water and fade proof. It costed me around 115 rupees. This pen is very much important for the urban sketching, where we use watercolors. Next up we have this Uniball white gel pen for highlights and many more uses. And then for the first time I bought this set of water brush pens. We just have to remove the body and fill water in it, and this will be ready to use. And last but not the least, we have this artist watercolor cakes from Camel. We have 48 shades here, and it says it will give us high quality pigments ideal for out of studio work. It costed me around 750 rupees. Let's see what's inside. We got a thin brush inside along with the watercolor cakes. Let's go and check out how this watercolor cakes perform. So this is my first urban sketch. I have used ink and sketch pens here. Let me know how is it. And this is my second urban sketch. I got the reference from Pinterest. In this picture I have used the new watercolor cakes. Here you can see how rich and vibrant the colors are. And also the paper holds up beautifully to multiple layers of the paint. Let's begin with our today's painting. Today I am painting a plate of spaghetti, starting with the black ink. Sketching with a pen forces you to commit to your lines, helping to build confidence in your drawing abilities. There's no erasing or second guessing, allowing for more spontaneous and fluid creating experience. Sketching is done, now it's time to color the spaghetti. Today I'm using the water brush pens for coloring. Let's talk about some benefits of using these pens. Number 1, portability. One of the greatest advantages of a brush pen is its portability. With its built-in water reservoir, you can paint on the go without the need of separate water containers. Whether you're traveling or painting outdoors, a water brush pen is a convenient option. Number 2, control and precision. The flexible nylon or synthetic bristles of a water brush pen allows for precise control over the application of paint. By adjusting the pressure and angle, you can achieve both fine details and broad strokes with ease. Number 3, versatility. Water brush pens are versatile tools that can be used for various painting techniques, from creating smooth gradients and washes to adding intricate details and textures. The possibilities are endless. Plus, you can use them with different water based mediums like watercolors, ink, and gouache. Number 4, blending and layering. The controlled flow of water from a water brush pen allows for seamless blending and layering of colors. Whether you are working wet on wet or wet on dry, you can achieve beautiful transition and subtle color variations with ease. And number 5, easy cleanup. Unlike traditional brushes and water containers, cleaning a water brush pen is quick and easy. Simply squeeze out any excess paint and rinse the bristles with water. This makes it perfect for artists who prefer a hassle free painting experience. Now let's talk about the Camel watercolor cakes that we got. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned artist, you will appreciate the ease of use of these watercolor cakes. Simply activate the colors by adding water and you are ready to paint. The cakes dissolve smoothly, allowing for seamless color mixing and layering. Speaking from the personal experience, I have found that the Camel Artist watercolor cakes offer consistent performance across a wide range of techniques. Whether I'm painting landscapes or still life, I can always rely on these watercolors to deliver stunning results. Although I have not tried using these watercolor cakes for a portrait painting, but I promise I'll do that soon. And be sure to let me know in the comments what do you think about this new art supplies and what you would like to see me create next. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more art related contents. Until next time, happy painting!